UPXI stock analysis and UPXI stock prediction in this brief short 1-minute video. What I'll be breaking down is my exact play. Briefly speaking, bro, it's just a bearish market. Like, I'm not even saying this just to freaking say it, but yeah, it's just I was waiting for some longs. It's the first time sort of delivered here, never got the rules, and since then I abandoned the ticker. I never looked at it once. Yeah, this is like such a crazy good call out. Like, it pumped up, then came down. Honestly speaking, since it's melting, I have no harsh feelings towards this, but the likelihood that it just gonna keeps doing the same thing is high. And yeah, I'm not gonna be the one just trying to catch the reversal, man. It's just bearish market for me. Can it pump up and go crazy? Of course, but I would rather just stick to the rules, which is bearish in this case. I'm just saying this for now, not forever. So if you want to learn how to make you 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one.